A missile launches. Within seconds, software calculates where it will land. Another system decides if it's worth intercepting. A drone changes its flight path mid-air. And somewhere in a command center, an algorithm highlights the next potential target. This isn't science fiction. It's how modern wars are beginning to work. Artificial intelligence is now part of the battlefield. This Israel-Iran war is showing something new. The most powerful weapon might not be missiles, it might be software. Not replacing soldiers, but speeding up decisions in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Today, we're looking at 7 real military systems that show how AI is quietly reshaping warfare. For most of history, warfare moved at human speed. Intelligence reports took hours, strike planning took days, but modern battlefields produce overwhelming amounts of data: satellite imagery, drone video, radar tracking, signals intelligence. No team of analysts can process all of it fast enough, so militaries increasingly rely on software that finds patterns before humans can, and that changes how fast decisions happen. One system frequently mentioned in reporting is nicknamed the Gospel. It analyzes large volumes of intelligence data and highlights possible targets: satellite imagery, communication data, movement patterns. Instead of analysts manually searching for suspicious activity, the software flags locations where weapons infrastructure might exist. Humans still review the results, but the software dramatically speeds up the process of identifying potential targets. In modern conflicts, investigators say this approach helped generate strike targets far faster than traditional intelligence methods. In earlier wars, finding a single target could take hours. With modern analysis tools, dozens can appear in minutes. Most people recognize Iron Dome as the system that intercepts incoming rockets. But the real trick isn't the interceptor missile, it's the software calculating the rocket's trajectory. The radar detects a launch. Software predicts exactly where the rocket will land. If it's heading toward an empty field, the system ignores it. If it threatens a city, an interceptor launches. That filtering prevents wasting expensive missiles on harmless rockets. In other words, the system chooses which threats matter. Missile interceptors are effective, but they're expensive, so Israel developed Iron Beam, a high-energy laser defense system. Instead of firing another missile, the system focuses a laser on the target: drones, rockets, or mortars. The beam heats the object until it fails. Officials have claimed that each shot costs dramatically less than missile interceptors, which could make defending against drone swarms much cheaper in the future. Some weapons don't need constant human control. The Harpy loitering munition operates differently from traditional missiles. After launch, it can patrol an area for hours, listening for radar signals. When it detects a radar emitter, it dives directly toward it, no pilot guiding it. The weapon essentially hunts for air defense systems, which makes it especially dangerous against radar networks. But the most controversial systems don't destroy equipment, they analyze people. Investigative reporting has described another system called Lavender. According to reports, the software analyzes large intelligence datasets to identify individuals connected to militant organizations. The system assigns probability scores. Analysts then review those recommendations before any action. Details about the system remain heavily disputed and classified, but the reporting highlights a larger trend. Modern intelligence increasingly relies on automated pattern analysis. Military intelligence units also experiment with AI tools similar to large language models. These systems help analysts search enormous intelligence databases. Instead of manually scanning thousands of communication intercepts, analysts can query the system for unusual patterns. For example, unusual movement patterns, unexpected communication spikes, or sudden equipment transfers. The system helps investigators focus their attention faster, but human analysts still verify the conclusions. Along some borders, automated surveillance systems monitor large areas continuously. Cameras, motion sensors, radar. Software analyzes the video feed and flags suspicious movement. When something unusual appears, operators are alerted immediately. Remote weapon stations can then be controlled from command centers far away. This turns long stretches of a border into a digitally monitored defense network. The most important shift isn't a single weapon, it's the network connecting them. Software analyzing intelligence, algorithms predicting missile impacts, automated surveillance systems watching borders. Modern battlefields increasingly operate as real-time data systems, and the side that processes information faster often gains the advantage. But this raises a question military planners are still debating. If software can recommend targets, predict attacks, and coordinate defenses, how much control will humans keep in the future? Because the next generation of warfare may not just be faster, it may be partially automated.